In this video, you will learn the number one online business to start and get rich. Most people don't know much about this business model, but this online business generates cash like an ATM machine. This business allows you to earn money while working only 50 to 30 minutes a day, and even 20 minutes per week ideally. You can set it and forget it, but the automation does all the work for you. When I discovered this business, my income improved dramatically. I managed to make money online while asleep. Moreover, I have seen people make six figures online using this cash generating system. Before I start the main topic and show you this business model, make sure to download my free book in the description below. In fact, I revealed everything about this profitable online business. This book will teach you how to start the number one digital asset online using just your email address. Moreover, you can earn six figures as a beginner while working only 50 to 30 minutes a day without your own product. So make sure to download this free book in the description below. So what is this online business? It's called email marketing. Email marketing, using just your email address to make money. Using just your email address to make money. So you might ask why email marketing is the number one online business. Let's answer this question. Email marketing is the foundation of all online businesses, no matter if it's affiliate marketing, e-commerce, Shopify, Amazon FBA, or even cryptocurrencies. Email marketing is the foundation of all of these businesses. So, if you want to start any of these businesses, you have to build your email list and start earn passive income. Number two, highest ROI. Email marketing as the highest ROI out of all online businesses. It means $36 for $1 spent. If you spend $1 for generating one email lead, you can earn $36 back. So it has the highest ROI of all online businesses. In fact, email is the art of digital marketing, e-commerce, and other e-business and e-marketing. Number three, an email list is a real asset. So if you build your email list, it will remain as a real asset, so it will generate you money ongoing. So it's a long-term asset. Number four, email marketing is free to start, so it doesn't cost to start email marketing. You can start it for free using email marketing softwares like Aweber, GetResponse, ClickFunnels, System.io, and etc. All of them is free for you to start and build your email list. Let's answer the second question. How much can you make from your email list? So if you have an email list, how much can you make from it? First of all, one email lead worth $1. One email lead worth $1 per month. For example, if you have 1,000 email leads in your system or as an asset, it will generate $1,000 back on a monthly basis. So make sure that you have high quality email leads. Another example, if you have 10,000 email subscribers or leads, that 10,000 will generate for you $10,000. So make sure to have the highest quality possible. And in the next part, I show you how to generate high quality email leads. So how to start email marketing and building your email list. If you want to start an email marketing and want to generate passive income automatically, you have to use email marketing software and email marketing software. So inside the email marketing software, you can do all in one. So what you need to start your email marketing, you have email marketing software, and inside software you have to create a landing page in the left side. As you see, landing page is a page that you collect email addresses and build your email list. Number two, you have to create a thank you page. So once someone put in their email addresses and opt-in in your email list, you have to thanking them. So for that you need a good looking thank you page, and you can watch my other videos on how to create your landing page and thank you page practically for free. Then you have to set up automated emails to promote your ideal offer and generate money. Number four, you need traffic, high quality traffic to come to your landing page as a visitor and opt in your email list. For number four, traffic, I show you that where you can get the highest quality traffic in the next part. This is the example of a landing page. In fact, this is my offer. It's an ebook, and in the landing page you have to give something for free for people in order to opt in your email list. We call it a lead magnet. Your lead magnet should be valuable enough in order to motivate your target audience to opt in your email list. So in this landing page, as an example, I gave a free book by the name of No More Overthinking. Free book reveals, this is my headline, how to clear your mind by avoiding negative thoughts. So this is the sub-headline. Discover the 5 proven ways to clear your mind of negative thoughts, beat procrastination, and enhance your productivity. Download a copy now. This is my CTA, or call to action. Once someone want to get my free book, they have to click this button and put their email address in order to get the lead magnet or this free book. So as I told you, your lead magnet or your gift can be an ebook, a video training, a free membership for a limited time or a specific time, or it can be a free report. So this is our landing page. So this is the best traffic sources you can use in order to build your email list fast and earn passive income. The number one source is Facebook traffic. Facebook ads is a great way to build your email list. Number two is YouTube ads. YouTube is a little bit inexpensive than Facebook, but Facebook is very, very expensive than YouTube ads. The third source is solo ads, also called email media, and it's the best traffic source for beginners. So when you have no technical knowledge or skill to run Facebook ads or YouTube ads, you can use solo ads to build your email list and earn money immediately. For Facebook ads and YouTube ads, it takes a little bit of time to build your email list, but with solo ads, you can build your email list in 24 hours. The best solo ad market places, there is no specific best places for solo ads. There is some websites like udemy.com or Facebook groups, but I tested that places are very bad in quality. Their quality is very bad, but I have a specific solo ad sources that I put it in the description below. So that solo ad is called Google PPC. So they send you automatic traffic and your opt-in page, and you can build your email list fast. So you can find that solo ad sources in the description below. It was the email marketing, and it's as I told you, it's the foundation of all online businesses. So it's very profitable, and you can start it very quickly. So don't forget to download my free book in the description below, and this book will teach you everything professionally as I explain it here. So don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos regarding email marketing skills, copywriting, and lead generation. Thanks for watching.